Okay, time to come back. Hi. What? What? Hmm? What? Hello. I should be unmuted. Hey. Oh no. Vado 2 blocked up. See? See? Poor thing's locked up. Okay. Let's see. Window. Oh boy. I can't control anything about it. Oh well. Alright, time to go activity monitor. Alright. See, where's my searchy search? Tube. Yep. First quit. So avatar should drop off. Should. Okay. Okay, the image is still up there. Okay. Now we're going to relaunch Vado. Okay, so it works on my side. Now to... Way! Yeah, I was trying to go ask a question. There we go! See? All back. All back. So, oh, let me. Yes, if you're lonely, go ask. Oh yeah, I was asking a question in Discord because... Talsets. Anyway, we are back. I can... Let's see, I don't really need this. Don't save. This is where I was clipping it out. It's base set again. Okay. Hey, there's where I was before we ended the last time. Earlier today. Where are we at? I barely have moved. So, while I was gone, I got a new stream deck. Let's see, technically. Let's see. Oh, wait, wrong. I have to be here. Aha! When I'm in OBS, I have a stream deck that'll let me switch my scenes. Because I told it to switch my scenes because it's just set up with hotkeys. See? This is sweet. Sweet. Anyway, I managed to actually get this thing sort of, at least I think, completely set up. I don't know if I want to do... I don't know if I want to set up more hotkeys or not later, or more actions I can do later. That's a question for later. Let me go close. Yes, go quit that. Save some space in my dock. Yes, I was disconnected from the server and then reconnected because I wasn't even here for a while. I did actually close my window. I just, left it open. I left everything open because I could, basically. So, do I want to keep... excuse me. Do I want to keep working on Godot? I mean, yes, but also no? Oh, yeah, no. Let's see. Let me come. Yeah, drag it over so you can't technically see what I'm doing on this second screen with Discord. Technically, let's see. I want to go to... right, I have to use, mouse stuff. Oh, come on. Come on, second keyboard, wake up. Thank you. Thank you for waking up at us. No, I don't need that. let's see, let's do a Control A and a Control C and an Enter. And now we shall go under, and you shall go under to Places and do the Control V. And then we shall go to this one and then do the Control V again. And we shall come over to here and we shall jump into here and we're gonna do another Control V. Yes, more Control Vs. Why? I have now posted that I am actually streaming because I should have done that earlier. Ah well. I am kind of bad about that. Maybe I could set up a button that says, hey, yeah, do a post that says, yes, we're going to do this. I'm going to open up some matcha paki. In the US, there is a chain of craft stores called Michael's, and the one closest to me has started carrying matcha paki. It's been ages since I've had this. You would not believe how rare it is where I'm at. Kind of helps that Daiso opens like right next door to it, so we have easier access to the fancy treats like that. I should finish my bottle of water before I start in on another soda. Hey, now he just do a happy bub. Okay. Drink of water. That okay. Okay, we can actually try to. What are we doing? There we go. Yeah, see, I could have done the player embedded in a regular Node 2D, but it is ostensibly easier if my root node is of the type I want in this case. There we go. Come on, loosen up. Thank you. It's easier in this case because then I loaded it as a player into the final scene. Okay, digital. Okay. Create. And see, I've got some presets already. Oh, shoot. Where are you at? Oh. Let's see, move, duplicate to scripts, move. Thank you. Oop. Load. Assets, scripts, player. There we go. Reassociated. Does it look different from when? Nope, it doesn't. Okay. There we go. So, very basic thing. Oh, that means I also gotta start setting up my my input mapping. Okay. Yeah, let's see. So I should replace the UI. So that defaults up there. this happened, I made a death scene for the hunter, actually, so we're not actually doing the whole, come on. We're not actually doing this whole, death animation or doing the freeze and then dying, and then poofing out. There's gonna be like torn in half. Okay, I need to do this. Okay. Add new action. Left. Okay. Left. Key code. Okay. And oh, right, it's covering. Let's see. All right, A. Right. Okay. Let's see. Key code Latin equivalent. There we go. So goes that way. Ow. Okay. Now we need right. Okay. There we go. Here's all of that. Now we need jump. Okay. And key code. Okay, and crouch. Boop. Key code. And S. Nope. J. No. Key code. Yes. There we go. That's better. Alright, so we've got left, right, up and down. You need. Oh, has to add one more. And space. Oh, Dino eats. It's not gonna hide anything. I'll just poof him out of existence when he eats. Oh, I have. It's alright. Kinda glad I can just freely edit this. Be far from if I couldn't. don't want to do... I don't want to do power-ups. I don't feel like it right now. It's like an extra thing. Okay. Oh, okay, I can close that for now, because I think that's done. Let's check this. Hurt. Small roar? Maybe like this frame. Or... Let me clarify that then. I probably mean the sound. Aw, I don't get any watchers anymore. Even Zipper disappeared. Aw. I miss Zipper. Oh yeah. Thursday nights are probably gonna be game nights now. Give us something to do. Ah. Another spammer. Well, likely Banny Bader. Account created yesterday. Really? I don't want to do that, Sari. I can't get rid of the view of it. Oh well. Okay, what was I doing again? I guess I was just bugged by that. I think I like this frame better. Okay, I think I have everything mapped then. Because most of the mappings right now are just key based and they rely on the player. So okay. Jump. Okay, let's do boop. Okay, do left. Oh, you're not supposed to double quote it. Do right. Okay. Okay, create a 2D scene. Switch to 2D view. Okay. We want to add a child node. Call. Oh yeah. Okay, add child node. Let's see. Do that. Collision object. Physics body. I'll need that to handle that. Okay. Their shape is world boundary. Okay, add child node. Oh wait, no, I have to actually do that in code. But open. Okay. Var player equals load res player dot scene. Add a child equals player. Yes. Okay. I don't care. Let's play this test scene. Yep. What? Oh, this is going to be important. Oh wait, that's because it's not. It's over here. Nope, it's. Where is it? Here. Oh, Okay, try that again. Mm, mm. Honestly, I can't tell if I'm standing or falling. Okay. I actually didn't done anything to handle this. Mm-hmm. Scale of -1 flips it, right? No. Ah! Yeah, okay. Uh, copy one. I don't like these extra spaces. They bug me. I'm gonna have to. Whoop. Okay, exit. Whoop, I just want to run the current spin. Uh. Boing, 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 boing. Okay. Okay, do a comment. Comment. Boy. Okay. this up to fish. Yeah, these all work. I know they do. Why is it not moving? Boy. I might not have the mental power to do this. Okay, here's one thing. Let me go swap to the other thing and see if I have. Oh yeah, it's handling things. Ah. You know what? Let me swap to here. No, here. Dang it. Okay, child node. Ah, ba 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 ba. Tile. I want a tile map layer. Okay. New tile set. Okay. Resource. Okay. Do, do, do. Okay, let's see. Alright, I guess we are configuring some stuff. Testnet panel. Atlas. Assets. Sheets. There's my cast. Here we go. No. I forgot. 64. 64. Okay, I forgot to set that. Okay, we're gonna delete you. Okay. Make a new atlas. Again. Now let's try that, yes. Okay, here I can right click. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. Terrain sets, add an element. Mode. Match corners and sides. Okay. Terrains. Add an element. Color. Let's go for no, come back here. Brighter brown. Huh? What? Oh. No, you don't need that. Why would you need that? Kiddo, why would you need that? Okay. Okay, texture region, set this. Okay. Select. Okay. Select a property editor. Texture origin. Nope. Modulate. Oops. C index. Y sort origin. Terrains. Painting. Terrain set 0. Okay, I'll add all of you to terrain set 0. Come on. We'll just add you lot first so that I have slightly less to deal with. Set 0, train 0. Okay. Now we can paint. Let's see. And I think so like this. Okay, you do that. And then then you like do all of this, and then like the inner bits, and then let's see. Okay. Actually, this might be a map for doing Godot tiles. Sure, let's throw you on my... That's technically my second monitor right now. It is actually my tablet. Whatever. Okay, let's see. So... You set... Okay, that's okay. I think that's it. It's kind of looking right so far. Okay, then we basically imitate that shape over here. Okay, go across. Okay, then let's see, go across here. Go across here. Only do the middle here for like 2 of these, and then cross the rest of the way. Then do these 2, and then across here, and across here, across here, and across here, and then end on these 2. That's what it looks like according to this mappa. According to this mappa. I think. Okay. Did I get to? No? Yours is all bright. Okay, let's see. Paint tool, line. Okay. Place a random tile. Flip tile, flip tile. Okay, pencil. You select and then okay, come on. Come on. Right, do I have to actually like whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see. Nope. Let's no. Let's try you 3. Let's see. Like, oh, I'm not sure it actually matter, cause it's like still snapping there. Okay, we'll do that and then run. Boing. There. Now I can actually see. Boing, 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 boing. Eh, I can't see that. Boing, 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 boing. Eh, 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 eh. Rah, rah. Okay. Okay. Now we have to figure out his state machining. Okay. Might want to actually open that up. I was saving it for that. Thing I want to look at later. Let's see, for animating. Yeah, you know what? Let me see. History, recently closed. Open that back up. Oh, shut up. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay, let's see. Scripts. And then the player node. I still don't know how to actually do the terrain stuff. I'm not sure I'm actually doing it right. I don't know how to paint in layers or in the terrains. Activated by styles of proxies. What does that mean? I might actually go cut these up later. Okay, admittedly slicing was actually the easy part. I don't actually know if I've painted the tiles correctly with the terrain. Like, maybe? But I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. I think it's because I was painting in tiles instead of terrains. There we go. See? Okay, yeah, I did that wrong. That almost, I think it might have worked. Maybe. Whoa! Hey, look at that! I have something! I did something! Whoa! Look at that! I might have actually. This might be a map set for Godot. Woo! And here's me going, oh goody, 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 goody. Just to see what that's like. Oh! Bonk. 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 See, this... this technically only works because I have the world boundary so that I cannot fall off. These sails are actually just a reference right now. I have not painted any collision on them whatsoever. No collision yet. There's no collision yet. Collision just does not work. I know. Collision doesn't actually work. Because I am slightly more concerned with animating this now. Script. Okay. 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 Physics engine won't move a character body 2D on its own. Meh. Reading. Oh, you know, I should probably switch from just chatting. I have not been doing just chatting for a bit, technically. Let's see, soft. Yeah, go back to this. The blah. Go. There we go. There we go. We're technically up and accurate now. Okay. Anyway, let's keep reading. Let's see. Direction. Is assume. Okay. 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 Da-da. Animals. Okay, no, no. My class, yes, that's yes. Uh, see. Ding. Nyeh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is all the default stuff it's got. Okay. Cutie time. Huh. Blah. And comments. Let's see. This surprisingly doesn't help. I have the physics process. I should. This is all the physics process. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens if we toggle the comments here. Alright. Toggle comment. Okay, run the scene. Boing, boing, boing. Huh. Boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing. It's just stuck on frame 2. Okay. Okay. Else. Okay. Animated sprite into d dot play. Oh, come on. Why are you not actually working right now? Let's see. Oh, that's because it's not calling it that. Try to the dot play idle. Oh, jeez, wrong one. The scene. Boing, 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 boing. Oh. Okay, I see. It's playing the frame too fast. Let's see if I can make, let's see, by, okay, we don't really need that to last. Okay, you play. Hmm. I think technically it's working, but let me take out just pressed real quick. Boing, boing. Yeah, it's still kind of jumping. Okay. Let's try that. Boing, 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 boing. It's actually playing it. Neat. It's playing it, but now it's like, let's see, 10. Okay, go back to here. Boing, boing, boing. So you can see the flicker of it actually being there. It's like flickering. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Oh, it didn't actually set that. Okay, there we go. Swap back to here. You can see where it's technically extending the leg real quick, but then it swaps back to what it wants to do really fast. Okay. 1. Let's see. 1 frame per second. What if we try that? Out of basically shits and giggles. Boing, 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 boing. And he jumps back to idle. I like that. Select it on you so I get the work. Come on. Give me a hint. Wakey, wakey. Okay. I don't know. This might work. I don't know. All that's there is that there's a noticeable lag now. Come on. There. Okay. Huh? Wait, what? I can have it at 0 FPS? Oh, right. Hey. Huh, hey. Frame perfect jumping. Okay, so that basically disables it. Let's see. Control C, Control V. Does that actually work then? Boing, boing. No, it actually swaps right away. Basically, when he's in the air, he will switch to either this or this. Okay. I can either do it when it jumps, but now he's disabled from animating, basically, or he jumps right away to this. I have to have at least 1 FPS for it to matter by 200. I don't know. I'm just kind of dorking with numbers. Well, that technically disables it too. Huh. But, oh wait, that one I changed it. 50. Okay, and play. I can just hold this. Oh, right, because it's just, yeah. No! Thank you. Okay. That would explain why I was doing the frame perfect. It was technically just like echoing and allowing echoes. It's like, no! 125. Like, something in here is working? Hmm. That or it's no longer working. Okay, 100. Okay, back to here. Ah! But, okay, let's see. Nope. Let's play. Nope. Play. Jump. Okay. And doink. Okay, kind of the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 FPS. Eh. What did I do? I broke my jump. I don't know. What did I do? Why did I break you? least is back to flickering. Got that back. Okay. Okay. He's like ready to land right away, and that's not quite right. Okay. Okay. I don't really get it at all. But at least it is playing, and he's ready to go land. So I might just take it. And figure out how to do a walk. I'm gonna have to. Let's see, yeah, I'll hold while the action is pressed. Wait, no, here it is. What's up? This one. Blink. Huh, weird. For some reason, it doesn't react when I, in here. It refuses to react in here. It's just like, here. And I don't really understand. But I plop them in a node with something and... What? Oh. Technically wrong scene. But I pop him into a node with an instant and he loads. He does his things. I don't really know why. Huh. Unless it's the fact that it has the ready and the process in it. Not just the... Oh. Oh, this guy doesn't actually have a ready function in him. So he can't ever actually be ready. He will always just be like, there. He doesn't complete a ready process. That's probably part of it. Because technically, his scripting gets tacked on to the scripting over here, and then he loads. That explains it. I kind of needed something to be able to see everything with anyway, so... Okay. What's the max on those, though? I feel like it's a negative. Okay, I'm going to need you. Oh, what? Let's see. You. It's dot scale equals direction. And then if direction animates right to the dot dot play Wackies. Wackies! Okay, see if it works here. Ah! Huh? What? But is it? Huh? Who? Hey, who? Ha? Wah? Ha? Speed scale. It's a vector 2 unscaled value. Who? Hail dot scale what? X no? Dot X what do you call that? S I've technically made a grave mistake in pointing everyone to the left. Play Wacky. Wackies. Wait, why aren't you playing the Wackies? What? Let's see 2D. Scripts. Let's see, how are you doing? Suck us over, I see. Still processing. We need to just multiply that by -1. Okay. Hey, look at that! I have corrected for the fact that my sprites are technically facing the goddamn wrong way. Okay. I have I have managed magic. Okay. We don't put it in this. Okay. So I know what to do that. Um Okay. See, jump into here. Dot. Scale dot x equals direction by -1. Get access input. Okay. See, inputs can really only be handled by one set of directions at a time. It does this weird thing where it like filters down input until it gets caught, and then whatever caught it handles the input exclusively. So I don't think I can just try to grab it a second time. And this updates on every like physics tick, which is part of why it's not actually playing. Uh, because I want to put it in here. Okay, let's even make sure that this code works. Ah! I'm not even visible. I know. Oh. Wow. Okay. Direction not equals 0. Okay. Let's go shove this in here. Oh, that was funny. Funny bug. Whee! Whee! Okay, that works, right? Now I gotta get the walking animation to play when I'm actually trying to walk, but I'm on the floor. If is on floor, her see, and nope, animated sprite 2D dot play walk walkies. Okay, does that? Oh, whoop. fuck do I... wrong one. You. Hey! Hey! I don't know what happens if I... let's see. Let me set here. Is right dot frame plus equals 1. I don't know, I feel like that might do something. We did something. Okay. Okay. This doesn't seem to do much. Okay. Let's see. Minimum working. Look! It doesn't idle. And we've bugged out. And we bugged out the jumping again. Come on. Alright. I think it has to do with the FPS mismatch. I think I am, like... No! Why did you break? Why did you break again? No! I had you working and then you broke! Yeah. Oh, hey, they're supposed to work. Look at that, I can flip you. Flip. But for some reason you won't jump in here. And I don't know why. Eh. Okay, I made something work. Okay, let's see. Maybe I have to, like, force it to... Yeah, I can make you flip around. Right, I don't have that button programmed in here yet. And then... technically, to get access both provides me the scale and says, no! No! Okay. Let's see. This this does this does the things. This does the things it's supposed to do. But I think I might just go ahead and replace these chunks. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Right is positive. I can basically just manually multiply speed by -1. Let's see. I am probably going to temporarily break this entire thing. Uh-huh. Where the hell is... Oh. Right, because in here, y goes down, up goes negative. It's like accelerates up before it processes going down. It actually does gravity. Alright. Okay. If input dot is action, it's oh, I'm on the wrong one. Is that requires action pressed left and is on floor. Okay. Animate strike 2D dot play Luckies and do velocity dot x equals speed by 1. There we go. Okay. If input dot is action pressed right. Right. Oh, and is on floor. Wait, what's the difference for only? Can you tell me? On the last call. Ah. Okay. And it's right to d dot scale dot x equals -1. And c. And then it's right dot. Oh, I should set it up here too. And it's right to d dot scale dot x equals 1. It's right dot play hockey's velocity dot x equals bold. Okay. That's a lot of replacement. Hey! Look at that! I have walking! Oh, whoop! I forgot to do what else. Whoop. Else. Uh. Velocity dot x equals move toward velocity dot x 0 speed. I forgot that part. Okay. Also, animated sprite 2D dot play idle. All right, let's try that again. Ah! Huh? What? What? Okay, let's just stop. Oh, my spelling. Whoop. Let's animated sprite 2D dot play jump. Nope, jump. Well, I broke my jumping again. Oopsies. The funny thing is that it was working without this else. Um, whoops. Okay, if velocity dot x equals 0, animated set right to the dot play idle. Zero and is on floor. Oh, but now he doesn't move forward anymore. Uh, uh, so right now he kind of just freezes into the last animation that was played. He doesn't return to base. Okay. Unless the slide ends at all. Can you have a physics and a process? Think. Well, he don't flip around anymore in this screen. Okay. Maybe because he's not registered as being on a floor. There's no floor in his room. And most of this relies on floors being present. Maybe that was why this actually worked, is he could go flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. There's no actual direction. If is on floor and animates right to the dot play idle. It's a thought? Okay, but now we're stuck not moving forward. Which is very important for a platform where you jump and you need to move forward. But if I said jump velocity, then it'll suddenly jump backwards. Honestly, I don't understand why it's not. Okay, we can toggle the comment. Okay, and comment these. Let's see, comment. Yeah. Suddenly now when I jump, because of that, he doesn't move. If input dot is action pressed left copy paste velocity dot x equals speed by this one. Elif input dot is action pressed right and need to sprite to d dot scale x equals -1 velocity dot x equals speed. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe manually. Ah! What if I did a wait, now I have to do that way. Can I make it work? No. Okay, so this is no, too far. See. Alright, so the comment. Toggle comment. Not equal 0. 0 and is on floor. Okay. Goes direction. And then animated sprite 2D dot play walk. L if direction is not equal 0. Let's see. Animated sprite 2D dot scale dot x equals direction. Come on. And velocity dot x equals direction by speed. Ah! Oh, not again. 2D. Ah! Ah, shit. That's direction by -1. Direction by -1. Okay. Now I go the right way. I never stop walking. And I don't actually play the animation. And let's see. And not is on floor. Oh, if I just animated sprite 2D dot play jump. Nope, jump. Hey, that technically works. Where did I have it? If is on floor, animated sprite 2D dot play idle. Hey! I think I made it work at last! Woo! I think after all that, let's see. I think I can delete all that. Hey! I managed to make it work right because the jumping worked right over here. Then I used this, but it wasn't working right anywhere else. And this does technically allow me to expand to joystick controllers later. Let's see. Because jump is usually always a button, even on a controller. Okay, that was a long time just figuring out how to do movement. And I think I have most of the tiles working. I think. Oh. Oh god. Me slow with advanced things. Me very slow. sorry, did it? Honestly, did it actually? You know, I don't. You're still reading data from SSH. I am still thus connected to you. Oh, I really have no one. Oh well. Maybe he's just working. He does have funny hours. He's like got a retail job, I think. Or maybe he's out. I do still miss Zipper. I miss you, Zipper. I miss you. Right when I'm fighting Godot too. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna save this where I deleted it. Like, this technically doesn't actually work on this part because it gets overwritten over here. But we just manually do it. Like, it works. It works. It's technically here, just in case. But it ends up over here, and yeah. Okay. That doesn't work. And now we have to do. So that's just movement. Let's see. Tab in so that we're in the physics process. Bunk. Bunk. Let's see. Let's see. I should comment this right now while I'm thinking about it. Okay. There, commented. Okay. Then I want to. I need to do if input dot is action pressed equals roar. Animated sprite to data play roar. Okay, let's see. Huh? What? Why are you not playing? Roar? Okay. Maybe I have to add you before everything else. Come on. Alright, I can scroll. Okay. Oh, wrong scene. Here we go. You just lock up. Wait, nope. Like that actually exists. I might. I keep bringing up the wrong one. Here we go. Pulling base input handling. Event based. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Add func input event. Alright. If event dot is action pressed equals roar. Okay, so up to here, so we have a quick access. Let's see. And whoop. Anime player dot play roar. Okay, let's try it in there. And nope. Let's see. Get wait. Wait. Get tree dot create timer 1 dot timeout. Oh, nope, it's being overridden by the physics process right away. Well, that's a new one. Oh, I keep forgetting it. Kind of swaps it. So let's see. Play specific animation while holding input. Good though. Yeah. Oh, do I still have to do it in here? Next train by different. But okay. Okay. Let's see. Get up. Let's see, and then if input dot is action just pressed roar animated sprite 2D dot play roar. Huh. Okay. Nope, I ain't gonna need the Godot state machines. Godot state. Nope. State machines. Because I am gonna need state machine to. Here's a few things. Let's see. Ta-da! Huh. How to state machine. Yes, that's a good one to look at. How to state machine. See, cause yeah, nah, 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 nah. Da, 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 da. Really? Different notes. Let's see. Okay. Enumerate states. So one way to implement a state machine is to do it with various nodes that are all coded. And another way is probably just to have it as a script with enumeration, as a enumeration variable. It's like a constant, but it has a list in there. Okay. So Let's see. Technically, we do. We almost have a state machine here. It has the basic motions, and we'll probably keep this work to make sure that it, is available if we still need it. We'll probably have to reuse some form of it for the hunter because he can walk and jump and stay still. He can't stay still and hold a gun, though. I did actually animate that, or I still have to make the gun sprites. The frick. Those will be kinda easy. I just make the frame and then I make it flip flop, flip flop, flip flop as needed. But, pointing left so we can keep with our brokenness and, everything's still just to the left by default. Because I drew him pointing to the left. I drew this little guy pointing to the left first, and then it's stuck. He now points to the left, okay? That just kind of happened. Okay. So. Hey, I'm freaking nervous about. Let's see. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Extends node for each state. The character can be in and puts all the code for that state in the script. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Explains why it's typical. Apparently people find the node version of a finite machine easier to implement. But it does require a lot of duplicate code, so I'm not a fan of that. Also, not very visual, honestly. Let's see. State pattern. Alright, let's figure out how to do it with the variable. Okay. So let's add enumeration, enum, states equals Nope. Let's have you in here. See. Do I have to use commas? Yes. Idle. Walk. Jump. Okay. Roar. Crouch. Eat. Trap. Hurt. Death. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm missing one. Okay. Might be easier to just do this alphabetically so I know which ones I've got. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Ouch. Death. Eat. Hurt. Idle. Jump. Roar. Trap. Walk. Oh wait, it was supposed to be 9. Why do we keep counting 10? I think it's because I have the base in there as like a reference for what he should look like when he's not doing anything. Okay, let's see. For state equals states dot idle. Okay, so far so good. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If state equals equals states dot crouch let's see. Animate activity dot animation equals crouch. It's got like 1 frame. Huh. It was playing in there. Or maybe it's because I was playing in the script or the viewer. Okay. So let's see. Right now. Whoop! Nope. Wrong one. Wrong one. Huh. So it finally actually. Oh, now it's actually doing this. Let's see. Oh, half my problems are because it's caching. Let's see. Debug. Great. So I had to. Okay. Huh. Okay. Huh. Okay. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay. You're back to doing that. Okay. Let's see. Flare, jump, inlet. Why are you looping it now? Oh, wait, I think I know what it's doing. So that one doesn't work. Having it right there doesn't work. But I betcha. So now it's like jittering between the frames. Okay. Much as I like both frames, we can go ahead and junk that frame. And... But hey! Come on. But, come on, caching process. Stop it! Huh. Oh, okay. I do actually need a copy of this for when I am... See... When I am not moving. Oh, come on. Will you stop? Ah. Like, come on, please. Can you please? Okay. Come on. Come on. Will you recompile the entire thing? Ah! You were working before, and now you're just not? Why? Ah! You still got... Ah! Like, I took out the first frame. You should only be on one frame. Yeah, see, he's stuck. Ah, come on, guys. It's my stream deck. Will you please? Express no control. Okay, what if I do a reload? Will you work now? Why? Okay. I have to drag you over here. And project and open user data folder. So you open here. No. Okay. We're going to empty you out. So we can like force you to do the refresh. I hope. Ah! You still have the dead frame that doesn't exist anymore in here. Ah! Why? Why? No, get over there. Come on, come on. There. You. Look, see, guys. Jump, jump. Wait, what? Why? That should have saved that there's no more frame one. Could please stop resizing yourself just because I changed something? There, finally it fixed it. And Godot, why are you constantly resize yourself right now? Like I wish I could have my two frames, but it in a sense it works. I can't make the flickering stop otherwise. Can't like make it freeze on. I mean, I might be able to actually. Let's see. You. It's jump, open, 3, 1, 4. Right. And do that. Let's see that animation equals jump. Let's see, animate right to the frame equals 1. Main. That might not work. Oh shit, wrong one. Oh yeah, stop that. Okay, play. Ah! 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 Eh! What? I actually just press jump and it's on floor. It's not on floor. That. But, huh? Okay, let's see. Animation equals jump. Animate that frame equals 0. Okay, see. V. V. Okay. Okay. Whee! 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 I basically don't get my first frame of animation for the jumping. There. Oh, you are loud in my ears, so music. Woohoo! Look at that! You just gonna run forever until I say no. Okay, can you please stop, Godot? Come on, I know I reloaded you. That was because things were going weird and wonky and I was trying to make them fix. Okay. Technically, this gets overwritten like right away. Could technically erase it out of here because it'll just be this basically. Like if it's not on the floor, it shows the jumping frame that we do get to use. Anyway. And same here. It just gets to the frame and doesn't go blah, 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 blah. Hey, you know what? I should actually double check if I'm still like, yeah, I'm still talking. Yay! Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Seriously, go. Why do you just hate this tonight? Why? Okay. Please just stay. Oh, we've done nothing but try to get one character to work in a test map that is just scribble, 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 scribble. Train scribble, train scribble, train scribble. Hey! Okay, let's see. Back to get your open. Let's see. Me. Let me set up what happens for each state. If state equals states dot death. Let's see. I should be in this one to make it easier. Oh, wait. Get tree dot create timer. Nope. That's too many seconds. Dot time out. Actually, let's do like 3 seconds. And then actually, we should probably jump out of the physics process too. To die. Let's see. Song on death. Let's see. Start the play death. Let's see. Wait. Get. Nope. Get tree. Dot create timer. 3 seconds for music. Dot time. Whoop, time out. Okay, that should work. Let's see. Now we can jump to on death. And then we have to. Oh, we should actually do a return. It won't take anything, but it needs to return 1. It needs to return 1 to somewhere. I think. I don't know where it's going to go yet. But the player should actually say, let's see. Should also see. Stop physics processing. Good though. There's a way to do it. Did it do? Wait, I can just like. Hang on. Wait, no, I couldn't just use that because it would probably rely on me explicitly knowing which direction it's going in. This, technically, I don't know except by a float that goes to 1 and -1. Okay. It's gonna say, wait, flip H? What? Wait. Oh, this is a new question. Jeez, song, why are you doing that to me? Well, That didn't really help. Okay, that also didn't help. I can look at this. Process step runs after the physics step, right? So let's see. Physics processing happens, then processing happens, and then it draws stuff. Let me see here. Collision see, this might actually be needed. I can make it static once it's been removed from the physics. Let's see. Only called if physics processing is enabled. Does this method's overridden? Okay, let's see. This dot set. Oh, nope. Nope. Let's see. Dot. Let's see. Set physics process false. It's like, let's see. This is what I wanted to do. See. So that should basically disable it, let it play stuff. Like it disables physics, done the player. And then we'll do something with the return value eventually. Like I mentioned that earlier. Thinking my way through things at... Oh geez, it's like 2 in the morning. The only reason I'm still streaming is because I technically haven't hit the 3-hour window I normally go for. But it's also like a special stream. Like I wouldn't normally be streaming at this point in the day. I'm streaming for Thursday later than this. I need to start my uploads as soon as I'm done though. The one for earlier and the one for now. Let's see. Let's see. Some frames might... Okay, a lot of my frames that I so carefully worked on might get discarded here. I don't know yet. If state equals states dot alt. Oh, up states dot alt. Okay, it's right to d dot play eat. Wait, get. Oh. Let's see. Get tree dot create timer. Give it a second. Dot timeout. Ugh. I don't know. I hope it works. Let's see. If states equals states dot hurt. Nope. It's right 2D dot animation equals hurt. Wait. Get tree dot create timer. 1 second timeout. He may even just get a shader that goes blink, 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 blink whenever he's hurt. If I can't get the frame to show, that might be easier. Okay, if state equals states dot idle it's right to dot play idle. That one's easy. Okay, you know what? Let me make sure. You're like eternally falling. Yeah, good. You're still messing up. You're still messing me up. Do the play. Yay! 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 Wait, there's some weirdness in here. Like, most of it works, but there's some weirdness in here. Da, 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 da. It's called I don't know what I'm doing. Do da, do da. I don't know what I am doing. Oh, da, do da, day. Yeah, I really don't know some of this. Okay. Yeah. I'm tired. I don't think you've moved for like an hour. I just really don't think you've moved for like an hour. Okay. Let's see. So, Tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is games. Let's see. Come on. Come on. You're an OBS. Come on. I had to not select things, I guess, or I don't know. You're just being silly. Anyway. I am the blinky eyes. I am the tired. Yes. You know what? Let's see. Let me add. Let me throw this in the center of the screen, on top of my face. If you are alone this Thanksgiving, and you feel super extra lonely, and feel like you can't go talk to anyone else, go call this number. At least if you're in the US. It is 988. They are more than happy to talk to you. But I must kick people out. I must go kick you out now. Let's see. Yay, button. Okay. Okay, I do the end now. Bye.